Mr. Fierro, would you please stand? We find the defendant, Carlos Fierro, guilty of homicide by vehicle as charged in count 1.
Santa Fe attorney Carlos Fierro has been convicted of vehicular homicide in the hit-and-run death of a man last November in Santa Fe. The jury returned its guilty verdict Friday afternoon in Santa Fe. The jury was hung on a second account, leaving the scene of an accident. The vote was 11-1 in favor of a guilty verdict, but it must be unanimous for a conviction.
Well, we pretty much knew what was going to happen after the state submitted this modified law and they changed the law in the middle of jury deliberations. I mean, that kind of dictated the result. I mean, he was convicted at that moment when they gave the new law.
The state district court trial began September 21st, and the case went to the jury late Monday afternoon after Fierro testified and attorneys made their closing arguments. Fierro, 36, was charged in the death of William Tenorio of San Felipe, Pueblo.
I was glad that it went in our direction, but you can't be happy, excited about anything like this. It wouldn't be, first of all, it wouldn't be right. Secondly, WilLee would have got on me for if any of us acted that way, because there is another family that's suffering now, you know, and they're hurting. So it wouldn't be right to be happy or excited about anything like this. That's just not the kind of people that way. We wouldn't think like that.
Tenorio, 46, was struck by Fierro's black BMW as he was walking across the street from WilLee's Blues Club on Guadalupe Street in Santa Fe after the bar closed early in the morning of November 26th. Fierro acknowledged driving drunk, and his blood alcohol content was measured at nearly 3 times the level of presumed intoxication. His defense had maintained Tenorio caused the crash by jaywalking and inattention, and the pedestrian was hard to see in dark clothes.